back to my channel. My name is Rachel and I love to create and experiment. And if you're new here, welcome to the family. So it looks like this year is the year of giving gifts. So I wanted to try out this hot air balloon gifts, and oh boy, it was such an experience. Let's just get right into the video and see how it went.
Hey guys, I'm going to leave a list of all the materials needed in the description box, so please be sure to check them out. So the first thing you want to do is spray paint your bucket. So I'm going to be using 2 buckets for this project and I'm going to be spray painting the both of them. If you want to know how to cut any of these buckets perfectly, I already explained in the last video how you can, in the last 1 to 2 videos, how you can cut the bucket perfectly. I'm going to leave a list to it in the description box and also in the card above, so please be sure to check them out. So the next thing you want to do is laying fancy nylon into the bucket. After which you're going to add styrofoam into the bucket. If you do not have styrofoam, you could also use a foam block for this part. So after which you're going to need a base on which all your goodies are going to sit on. So for this base I used a carton and I'm going to be glittering the carton with glitter and glue. After which you're going to start putting in your goodies. I put in cookies, I put in some chocolates, and I put in 2 bay leaves. So the next thing you want to do is to blow your bubble balloon. If you've seen my last video, I properly explained how you can blow this bubble balloon. Do not forget to always stretch so that it can become stabilized, and remember that you cannot blow this bubble balloon by mouth. You have to use a balloon pumper. So for this project I'm going to be putting a balloon inside a balloon. So after stabilizing my bubble balloon for a bit, I then used a pencil to put a smaller balloon inside a bubble balloon. Then I blew the smaller balloon first, tied it off and cut off the base with a scissors so that it can stabilize inside the bubble balloon. Then I blew the bubble balloon next, tied it, included a cap, and I placed it on top of the balloon stick. So the next thing you want to do is just put the ribbon around the bucket. Then I also included a bowl just to beautify it. Next thing I did was to get a longer ribbon that I was going to use to create the hot air balloon effect. sticker of whatever thing that it is you want to write on the balloon. This sticker I got from a printing shop, and this is the way it was printed. The design is transferred from a computer to this machine called the plotter. This plotter cuts out whatever name that you put on it and you get your sticker. So I just peeled off the sticker bit by bit. I first of all peeled up all the inner parts that are not necessary. For each letters like G or A, you have some inner parts that are not necessary. I peeled that off first so that it will be easier for me. Then I started sticking it on the balloon bit by bit. So for the second one is, I think the first one we should call the blue set. So for the pink set, the same thing followed up. After putting styrofoam and your fancy nylon, I then arranged my drink and the different goodies I was going to be putting on top. Then I put in the balloon and the balloon stick in the middle. So for this I used a thinner ribbon. So for this thinner ribbon I did a cross of the ribbons in order to hold it more firmly.
Guys, what do you think about this DIY? Let me know your thoughts in the comment section. Do you like it? Is this something you would try out? Let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching, guys. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Subscribe button is somewhere down there, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys, peace.